sweet potatoes, and I'm going to show you one of the ways that I cook them. And I eat them for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I start with peeling the potato. So I will go off camera and finish that, and then we'll be back. I want you to see I have a variety of colors. I'm slicing these into generous 1/4-inch pieces. And I did see a chef on one of the YouTubes say slide your knife in and then back, and that did make it a little bit easier on that purple one. It's amazing, a plate of these makes a full meal for me. All right, we'll be back. I start by putting a little bit of coconut oil on my griddle, and it spreads out pretty good. These potatoes may look like they're being fried, but they're not exactly being fried. They're being cooked, and then I'm going to try to brown the bottoms. And it's good if you're using a skillet. Whoops, some were trying to get away. It's good if you use a skillet that has a lid that fits. Look at this beautiful array of colors. This is going to make an awesome plate. I'm going to push them down, make sure they're making contact. Also, I do not salt or pepper these. So I'm just going to put a lid on it and let them steam probably for about 10 minutes. They're starting to sizzle. I'm going to turn the heat down to low and continue to let them steam. Okay, it's been 5 to 7 minutes, and I am seeing that this is starting to caramelize. So I want to turn each one of these over. They're getting soft already, and that's great. That's what I want. I don't want a crispy potato. Oh, I love the colors. This is how I like them. They're a little bit dry. If you want to moisten them, pour a little bit of orange juice or pineapple juice over them right before serving. Now I'm going to just make sure they're making contact with the griddle. Now I'm going to sprinkle cinnamon and sugar on these and let them finish cooking. It's probably going to be another 5 to 7 minutes, but I want the underside to also caramelize a little bit. Oh, these look perfect. I want to make sure they're soft. Yep, they are actually finished now. It's going to be time to plate them. The bottoms have browned a slight amount, so that's all good. Here's our plate of sweet potatoes, and I'm serving it with fresh pear. Now, believe it or not, for me, this is a single serving. I would use it as a meal, but you could share it with somebody else. I will let you know how these taste. That is such a mellow taste. Not overly sweet, just the right amount of cinnamon and sugar. And of course, the pears taste great with it. See you next week, and please like, subscribe, and share.